What is the right way to create a SSECustomerKey for boto3 file encryption in Python? I am using boto3 with my Django application to upload media to S3. But I am having trouble encrypting the files on server using server-side encryption using customer-provided encryption keys. I'm using boto3's object.put API to upload files and specify the encryption keys. But I am getting the following error. The calculated MD5 hash of the key did not match the hash that was provided. I am not sure on how to create the MD5 of the key that will match on the server side. Here is my code. I am utilizing the same S3 API through a PHP client, and it works fine. The only difference I see here is that PHP's MD5 method can take second argument which, if true, returns an 16-character long digest as compared to normal 32-character long digest. Now I don't know how to create a 16-character long digest using hashlib.md5.
The right way to do is to use os.urandom. And one doesn't need to provide SSECustomerKey 5 as boto3 calculates it for you. And also C doesn't work right in key.put, as for now. I don't know for what reasons. One has to do it this way.
It seems works with object too. An example is as follows. To read it, use